Welcome back everyone. Let us start with part number 12, that is washer M16. So go to sketch and select the front plane. Draw a circle twice the size of inner dia, that is 32 mm. Now click on return and go to protrusion. Select the circle, click on OK and then enter the thickness as 2 mm. Click on finish, go to sketch and select the surface and draw a circle of diameter 16 mm. Now click on return and just cut out that by selecting the circle. Go to tools, add the material, that is Fe410W. Apply to model. Now go to file properties. Washer M16 and go to project, document number 12. Type washer M16. Click on OK and then save the file. Let us do the part number 14 in the same video. Since it is a hexa nut M16 and it is a very small part, we'll do that in same video. So go to Solidedge, select sketch and select front plane. Here draw a circle of twice the inner dia, that is 32 mm, and by using a lines of 16 mm, draw a hexagon inside the circle by using lines of 16 mm. Now go to select and remove the outer circle by deleting it. Now click on return. Go to protrusion. Select the profile and give the thickness or protrusion as 2 mm less than the inner dia, that is 16 minus 2, give 14 mm. Click on finish. Go to sketch and select this surface where we get the 3 faces and draw a profile in order to fillet the edges. Draw a profile as shown in the screen. And draw a central axis for revolved protrusion or revolved cutout. Click on return. Go to revolved cutout, select the profile, OK, and now select the axis, enter 360 degree, finish. Now go to tools, go to material table, material is Fe410W, so type the material Fe410W. Then click on apply to model, file properties, nut M16, hexa nut M16. Then go to project and go to project, document number 14, hexa nut M16. Click on OK and then save the file. Here I forgotten to create a hole, so go to sketch, select the center Draw a circle of diameter 16 mm. Click on return, select cutout and select the circle and click on OK and just drag it. Now go to file, go to save, just click on save, file will be saved.